Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SING. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one a couple times last week, so that's where the green line annotation down here is coming from. But another very nice move, great way to start off the week. So definitely some updates here need to be made. First update is just one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 11.5 cents. Now don't get me wrong, if the price breaks below 11.5, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, do not get me wrong, if 11.5 cents, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart is ruined or anything like that. There's still plenty of other areas of support below you. The next key one would be the very famous 50-period simple moving average, which is being denoted by that purple line right there. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very just kind of laid back perspective in terms of, hey Clay, how do I gauge the overall strength of the price movement? Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as that purple line moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no doubt about it. Again, yeah, staying up above 11.5 cents would be ideal, but at the end of the day, as long as the price is above that purple line, big picture perspective, the bulls are in full control. What about areas of resistance? At this point, pretty straightforward. The party stopped a few days ago up there at the 13-cent mark, so 13 cents is going to be the next kind of in the crosshairs right now of the bulls, and that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, yeah, breaking levels of resistance is fun to talk about, but as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, what has it been doing? Well, just focus on repeating this history, the history of building higher bases, and as long as that happens and you keep these stair steps going in the upwards direction, then the overall chart will continue to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.